again, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to welcome you aboard our Flight 2223 service to Chicago's O'Hare Airport. Your flight crew for this flight is Captain Rick Cuspis, assisted in the cockpit by First Officer Dominic Moyer. And from Dallas-Fort Worth to Chicago, approximate flying time will be 1 hour and 44 minutes at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Presently, Chicago weather conditions are partly cloudy with a temperature of 82 degrees. Now please direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle as they demonstrate the safety features of our Airbus A321 aircraft. Your attention, please.
Welcome back to Travel with American Airlines. We're glad you're here. This flight is on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe, made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason: you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever